All right, so this is Google AI Studio. Probably one of my favorite vibe coding tools right now. I gave it a prompt, so we're gonna try and build this app. It's a better version of social media stereo, right? I think this is really important right now, the way that we connect as humans, especially more than ever. And now is the time to build this. So you can see, I gave it a prompt, and I'm going to read that while you can see here on the right side, it's actually building out the application, right? It's coding everything. So, so Project Vision to develop a next generation audio first social networking application that enhances the live conversation experience found in apps like Stereo. The platform will foster deeper community engagement by integrating advanced real time interactive features for both content creators and listeners, including screen media sharing and a unique synchronous voice messaging system. Core concept: a mobile application where users can join, host, and participate in live audio conversation rooms. The core experience is a fluid and discoverable, and allowing users to seamlessly swipe through different live in talks. The key innovation lies in empowering hosts and engaging listeners with tools that go beyond simple voice chat, creating a richer, more collaborative content experience. Core feature set baseline functionality inspired by Stereo. So, look, did it finish? Okay, so we need to allow microphone access. So you can see it's actually, so did it finish? Okay, so it's still finishing. So you can see, okay, so look, RSphere, listener or host. Oh, interesting. Swipe through live audio rooms. You are currently a host. So we can swipe through these rooms. We can tap on one. Okay, cool. So it's going to show you your hosts, right? Your speakers. Okay, so this is more like, I don't know, X platform inspired, it seems like, right? Suggest technology. Interesting. So what happens if I hit suggest? What does that even do? I don't know what that's for. Is it, but oh, icebreaker ideas. If you could instantly implement okay, well, that's cool. Whatever. It gives you icebreaker ideas. That's, I don't know why it would do that. Like, where does this implement into the app? No voice memos. Like, is this me as a hoster, right? I don't know. Well, again, I just gave it a prompt, so now I have to figure out the app that it built, and is this what we're going for? I like some of the stuff, but I don't exactly understand other stuff that it's doing here, right? Okay, so that's as a host. Oh, you are currently a listener. Oh, interesting. Do you see that? So if you're a listener, okay, so, but if you're a host, I can go to a room, and then I don't know what the hell that does. But anyways, so you can see but how fast that was. And then if I want to change something back here, right? Oh yeah, we do want to add profile customization, right? Add the user profile component. So we're gonna do that. But I like to get more than one thing done with my AI. So voice memo, playback control. That, I mean, again, I have to fix these other features, but in the meantime, we can have it doing. Oops, shit. Okay, well, I lost it. So we'll just have it do that. So because we do know that we're going to need that feature eventually, right? So we can have the AI working on it in the background while we look at the other stuff and learn how to use this app, and then see, no, this isn't how I want the app to be, the UI, the UX, So this is amazing, right? So as a listener, if I come here, cool, I can listen. So maybe we should show examples where you get into the room and you can hear it automatically. What happens if I click on here? Send a voice memo. Your voice message will be sent to the host private queue. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Interesting. Okay, but so that's where on this screen as a listener, I would expect the chat, right, to appear somewhere, right, maybe here on the left or the right, right, doing actions. Um, I don't know. And then from there, I would expect to see chat, and then I would expect to see like little things like dive into like the replies, or and you could have like voice memos in there that you could quickly click and you could play, right? And if you click play, it would be like boom, it would sync and go back to like maybe the part when they said something and then why they responded that way, so you could see why the person responded that way. Does that make sense? And that's another interesting advanced feature. But yeah, so I'm gonna just cut here. I'm gonna post this part to YouTube because this is good information. Yeah.